tracking your trades. Guys, this is one of the biggest mistakes I've seen traders make. I feel like punching you right now. I'm just kidding, guys. Why? In this video, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to start day trading in the forex market as a complete beginner. So I know at this point a lot of people are stuck at home because of the coronavirus, and you're looking for ways to make money on the internet. And guys, trading in the forex markets can actually be one of, if not one of the best ways to make money online from the comfort of your living room. Because one good thing about trading is that if you can master the skill of trading, you can use that to make money for the rest of your life. Unlike Shopify dropshipping and print on demand and Amazon FBA, you get a winning product and it dies out. Now you have to go do some more research on how to find some new winning products. So that is why I like to always recommend forex and stock day trading, and even in the cryptocurrency, of course, it's all trading, it's all financial markets, guys. So but one thing is that I always recommend forex day trading because it has the lowest barrier for entry, because you can start forex day trading with as little as, I've seen people start with as little as $10. Starting with $10, it's just like you're in for a joke. So I recommend starting with $300 and upward, because at least even if you're risking 1%, which is $3, that is still small. Even if it's 2%, that's $6 on every single trade, and that's pretty small. I will be honest with you guys. So if you want to make money online from the comfort of your home, I'll give you one secret, just one secret, and that is click the like button and subscribe to this channel, guys. Turn on notification and share this video with your friends, and guarantee, guys, you're gonna make money trading forex without even learning how to trade and all those strategies and all those stuff. You just subscribe, like, share, and you'll make money trading forex. That's a good read. All right. So guys, step number one is open a demo account or a paper trading account. So I see a lot of newbie traders jumping into the market. I even did this myself. Well, it's not a bad idea. Like, it's not wrong for you to start trading with real money, but because you're a beginner and you want to learn the skill and master this profession, you have to come in with you have to try with a fake account, because there's no other business that gives you this same opportunity. Because other businesses, you have to start with your real money, and it's only the forex market that gives you the opportunity to start trading with a practice account. So you can't open a business with a practice account, but in trading, you can learn how to trade, buy and sell, and make money with a practice account, but not actually make money, because you're not actually making the money and withdrawing it. You're making it in a paper trading, which is sign that you can actually make money in a real account. So sometimes this is not actually the case, because you could be making money on a paper account and losing money on a real account. But at least if you can make money on a paper account, then it's sign that you're actually improving and mastering the skill. So I made a video, guys, on how to trade for beginners. It's a free, I think it's a 1-hour course video I made on YouTube. It's absolutely free. You can go watch it. I'll put the link to that video in the description or in the end screen. Whichever way, guys, watch that video. It's going to be very, very, very important for newbie traders looking to get into the trading market and become a full-time trader. So watch that video, guys. And guys, you can absolutely use sites like TradingView to trade and analyze the markets. You can use MT4. Guys, I also made a video showing you guys how to use the TradingView website step by step. Really quick video, like 10 minutes or less, and you're gonna go from being a beginner in using the TradingView and website to becoming a professional. So I will leave the link to those two videos in the description below. Watch that video, guys. So guys, step number 2 is learning how to trade with a free online resources. It mustn't be online, but a free resources, guys. And what I'm trying to say is that most newbie traders come into the market and they just jump the gun. Like, they just want to make it quick. They end up buying $3,000 course, buying $1,000 course, buying 5,000. If I had someone bought a course of $10,000 and end up going broke, like, why should they do such a thing, guys? You have to start learning the basics. Like, there's a lot of videos on YouTube teaching you the basics. I made it, like I said it in the beginning of this video, guys. I made a video showing you guys how to trade for beginners, a free course that get like a 60-minute, almost a 60-minute course that teaches you guys how to trade as a beginner, step by step, giving you the simple basics on how to trade. On this channel, guys, I post videos on strategies and backtesting strategies. You can just come, you can learn these things for free and get a basic understanding on how to trade. Guys, I started trading without using a course. I am profitable to the best of my abilities, and I did that without even buying a course. I'm not saying you shouldn't buy a course, but you have to start with learning with a free online resources. Like on YouTube, there's a ton of videos on YouTube, guys, that's going to teach you how to trade step by step. You can evaluate different strategies. Like there's a host of strategies on YouTube. You can watch YouTube for a whole day, document every strategy you find and test them out and see which one works for you and how you can better because the more you learn, the more you earn. Because you can learn a strategy and learn another strategy, then you understand that okay, you saw something in this strategy that looked like this, and then you mix it with it, you mix A and B and you get AB. It now makes a sentence, AB instead of A and B. So guys, I'll leave a link in the description with videos on my YouTube channel that you can go and watch. Okay, you know what, I'll make a playlist of videos so you guys can go and watch that want to learn how to day trade in the forex market from scratch as a beginner, guys. Let's get to step number 3, and that tracking your trades. Guys, this is one of the biggest mistakes I've seen traders make. Why? Because this market is always leaving clues. So journaling your trades and taking note of what your losses and your wins are, and understanding what your strategy is, because you can't understand your strategy if you do not journal your trades. Once you understand your strategies, you can actually make money, because when you win, when you lose, you see the reasons why you lost and the reason why you won, and you evaluate it and see, okay, what am I doing here wrongly that made me to lose, and what am I doing right here that is making me to win. Sometimes it could be nothing, but just that simple fact of acknowledging the fact that you have to journal is a great advantage to even the beginner traders and even the professional traders. So one question I want you guys to ask yourself is, can you remember your last 10 to 15 trades? If your answer is no, then you need to take a punch on the face right now, because I feel like punching you right now. I'm just kidding, guys. So guys, okay, you need to record and understand and analyze your last 10 trades to your previous recent trades to know what you did right or wrong, if you're sticking to the plan or not. So guys, for step number 4, the fourth and final step is joining a trading community, guys. So if you consider taking trading seriously, well, actually joining the trading community is not that important. Of course, everything has its pros and cons, but joining a trading community is actually helpful. So I'm not saying joining a signal group, I said joining a trading community. And even if I have a signal group, which is where I share my ideas and where I'm entering and exiting on the market, which is a shameless plug I just did right now. So alright, so guys, one really cool benefit about joining the trading community is the fact that you guys get to share trading ideas and knowledge. Trading can be a lonely game. Like, you can sit in front of the computer from 8 a.m. in the morning to, like, I don't know, 6, 5, 4, and it's gonna be really boring and time consuming. So just chatting with someone, doing Zoom calls and having fun with friends in the same niche that has the same mindset and understanding of what you guys have the same goals and aspiration of becoming professional big traders. That's really amazing. Like, I have this trading friends, that's like real friends that I actually go and spend time with and have fun with. So that are just physical friends, but I actually have a trading community that we actually, well, it's not mine, it's just a trading community I found when I started trading, and I have fun with friends. I had friends, we joke a lot, we have fun and all this good stuff. But you can join my Telegram group, it's free of charge. I share my trading ideas and everything totally for free. Alright, you can go join there, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So guys, for a quick recap, so guys, for the first step is you have to trade with a paper account, like a paper trading account, which is a demo account. Number 2 is, guys, you have to learn how to trade for free of charge at the initial beginning time, because I have videos, like I said, on how you can trade for beginners. Guys, learn these little things, guys. The little things count. Every step counts. And guys, number 3 is track your trades. Number 4, guys, is join a trading community. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. If you want to help this channel grow, guys, this channel is a little bit frustrating and annoying because I haven't seen too many views, but I know if I keep on going, I'll get to where I want to reach a lot of people. I want to help a lot of people struggling to trade, because I took my time, I learned how to trade, and now I'm out here trying to share out that knowledge to you guys. So that won't be possible if you guys don't subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, and help this channel grow. So guys, the links to everything I mentioned in this video is going to be down in the description. The Telegram group, the videos, and everything is going to be listed below, so you guys should go watch all that and get yourself equipped for this battle in the forex market. In the next video, let's grow this iamXO gang. Let's be a family. Alright, so guys, show some love, support, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys stay blessed.